know what time it is. It's that time for the BD Boys video.
This rivalry started 5th grade. It ends today. We're at the turn. Ward is up 2. We're paying match play.
Wait, what happened?
There's no money. There's no trophy. There's no nothing. This is just strictly pride. Bragging rights. If I lose, I'm not going home. I'm leaving the country. If Ward loses, I would say he can't come home.
Yeah, they're not as like.
This is just the matchup. The pregame talk, the pregame hype.
Oh, you guys missed it. A week's worth of F you, you're a horrible person. All comes down to this. I'm down 2, but hey, everybody knows I perform on the back.
Well, uh-oh. 4! Oh, did you hit their cart?
Sorry, guy.
Ward's out here hunting golfers again. Shit.
Put it nicely on that tee box for me, please.
Could have killed them, Ward. Have a little respect for the game. Oh shit, that went fucking left. Oh!
Oh, okay. Oh, cart path.
Sorry, boys.
Oh, weight drop. Let's
Might get the corner of that green. Get the corner of that green. Oh. Damn, nice shot.
Thank you.
Some people shine when the
Finally!
camera comes on,
Finally,
and
Finally! Let's go!
some people don't. Biggest rivalry in BD Boys history, right here. Me versus Ward. As my boy Roan would say, skit, 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 skit. All right, no cameraman, so I have to do this one on my own.
Oh, take it. Take it, take it, take it all day.
Okay, here's Ward shooting 3.
Prediction, Speed Racer.
Oh no,
Oh.
a little class.
No.
A little touch of class. That came out good, Ward, just a little more. All right, Ward, no pressure. What are you shooting, 4?
Yeah. Worst reader ever. Thought that was gonna go left for sure. Went right. You want it either side or right behind it?
He's right behind.
You see, I turned the camera on, all of a sudden he's nice again.
Talking about Brian?
No, you.
That was going left, man. That fucking peeled off that. Yeah.
It's not bad. Good putt. That's good. All right, what are you in for, bogey?
5. Bogey.
Where's Lathrop at?
Over here.
Ward says he can't see.
I-
It's not even bright out here, Ward.
here. Whoa.
That phone right now.
Whoa, whoa. He's got that limp tripod. It keeps getting shorter, man. I think Des complains about that too.
Oh, now you're playing hits. Perfect time.
Oh, you got to hit it.
Yeah, you gotta hit it. That was a good line, though.
That's too far. Wait, really?
Wow.
Really? Wow. You caught it on the camera, right? I gave him an 8-footer. 8-footer?
Go.
It wouldn't have broke anyway. Another bogey. All right, you got this, Laker?
Yep.
He's nervous.
Bullshit. And you know I could hear you whispering while I was putting too, right? You know if I did that to him, how much screaming would we have heard?
Yeah, that fucking
That shit is strong.
The hazy fucked you up.
That fucking nastiness. Shouldn't have kept drinking it.
Are you guys ready to see a hole in one? It's rolling, right? It's rolling.
It's definitely rolling.
All right.
Never had one.
Yeah, neither have I.
You've never had one?
No. On a second shot, but not on the first shot. Oh.
Hit a rock. Get it good though.
No.
Oh fuck, I'm on the green.
No, he's not. Damn.
No, that was no bueno.
You got him, dude. Ooh, here we go. Here's the hole in one. Oh, middle of the green.
Good
Safe
shot.
play. Nice.
Good shot.
Golf's easy, boys. Golf's easy.
Over here, buddy.
Freaking jungle.
You got to play?
Swing hard.
Remember, when in doubt, just swing as hard as you can. Oh, he's in the thick stuff. Oh, shit. I was just kidding when I said swing as hard as you can.
No, it's going in. Get it! Oh shit, that's long. Oh, sit!
Oh, what a! You got to kick off
See,
the
that's
fringe.
not bad. All right, Leigh, this is what you're getting paid for.
All right, Paul, don't three putt.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
That's brother-in-law magic going on.
Oh shit!
He's a secret agent for Ward.
Brother-in-law magic going on, putting that juju out there.
Oh shit! I said it. I said it. Ooh!
It's all right. He's gonna get it halfway. So
At least.
why Andy's
by your foot.
why Andy's still walking in his.
Go be by your foot.
I told you he's only gonna get it halfway.
A tiny bit past.
Oh,
Luckily, it was downhill.
what?
Luckily, you're so lucky it was downhill.
Yeah, you
barely hit
yeah,
that.
You barely hit that thing, man.
You gonna put it?
Zoom in on those nice socks. I like that.
That's like 70-year-old man stuff right there.
Get in.
I keep giving it too much.
Get in. Get in. Get in.
They're
I'm
good.
just waiting to see if they're claiming that ball or not. If it's right on the fucking tee box. Right down by the ropes.
Your music's helping.
I know.
It's just fucking
Honestly,
on
it
point
is.
right now.
Seems like every time I'm about to get a big shot, something fucking
No, it's like a good song comes up.
rock
Just woo.
like some Rock USA song. Ward, we're tied.
We're tied.
What hole is this? 14?
It's only
You-
14.
Freaking beers.
You haven't said much for the last 5 holes. Come on.
I'm choking.
Come on. Do something for all your fans.
Oh, he pipes it, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Hey, that might be in the trap that so far. Holy shit. All right, that's good.
Beat you at your worst. I want to beat you at your best.
Oh no. No.
I heard somebody's AC turn off.
You hit the actual breaker.
Yeah, I think you
I don't know about that one. That one's.
I didn't even try that. I mean, it was completely.
It's straight. It's popped up, but it's straight.
Pick left.
Where's the wind? Come on, wind.
I'll take it.
Fudge.
Any of you guys playing a vice?
He wants that vice. All right, Ward. Tied. Ward, you got quiet. But, hey, you just piped it out, and I'm out of bounds. So you're about to go 1 up with, what, 3 to go? 4 to go?
You're good.
What are you shooting, Ward?
4.
So if I don't make this, I'll give you that par if you want it.
This is for bogey?
It's for bogey.
Slow down.
I mean, might as well get it there.
Draggy?
I mean, I'm giving it to you because I'm out of the hole. I'm in it for a 6, so I'll give you your par. Let you pad your stats. Oh, see, you should have taken it.
That good?
Yeah.
That was par, dude. I had that all the way.
All right, Ward
1 up.
took that. He's up 1 with 3 to go.
Nice bird, James.
Thank you.
Another birdie for James?
3 birdies in a row for James.
It is not 3 birdies in a row.
He's 1 under.
Birdie train, baby. Let's go.
1 under
Course
par.
record today.
Maybe we should just call our match off and just film James. What are you okay with that or no?
He's had too many foul things to me during the week. For
What
me
did I
to just-
say? I said
Oh,
you're.
I can't even repeat these things that I should read the text on the camera.
Yeah, you
It's
should.
just
What is
horrific. Horrific.
Horrific.
My
Don't
feelings,
use words like that.
my feelings were hurt.
Well, I apologize for that. If I went over the line, I apologize. What did I call you? Gay? Or I said you have 1 foot? You do. Update.
Love to buy everybody drinks.
16. Apparently, I guess
a little left.
sometimes evil does beat good.
No.
Because this boy's up 2.
This is good. This is the evil.
He goes to church all of a sudden for the last year and a half, and now he's an altar boy again. Hey, he's up 2, 3 to go. Bottom line, I don't win this hole, it's over. Now I'm gonna put it up there.
All right, I got you.
Right? I mean, that's what it comes down to.
That's it.
Up 2 with 3 to go. Hey, I like to have my back against the wall. That's how I do it. I love it.
If ever the pressure was going to get to Ward, this is it. Right here. Let's go, Ward. Don't fuck up. Trap.
Yeah.
Oh,
Big
love
splash.
it. Love it. Right on cue, Ward puts it in the trap. I love it. I fucking love it.
Freaking lasers it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, but you hit that so good.
You hit that really good.
Yeah. You hit that fucking good.
Can't lose to this jerk off.
Nice shot. That's a little chunky. Yeah, right in your fucking shit.
Do I get to move it out of that?
Hell no,
Manure?
you don't. Hell no.
Look at that manure, bro.
All right, Ward. Hey, you win this hole?
Just your shitty shot.
You win this hole, we end the day early, bro.
Play it as it lies. Come on, shooter. Not bad.
It's not bad. In the car, I told Lathrop, this jerk off is gonna put it within 2 feet.
Why the name calling? I don't understand.
What the hell? Of course. What is this shit? I've never seen this on the course before.
Come on.
No, but look at all this.
What is this? Yeah, I have no idea.
Oh shit! I think I can.
Some HPB on the green.
Yeah, do they do this on purpose, or you think somebody came and
No, I think
jacked it up on purpose?
this is probably just from dry grass.
But look at, there's like divots, and then that's not.
That's true.
I think somebody came and did this. Somebody knew this match was coming. Stupid. Horrible. Gosh. That was dumb. Wow. Jesus.
So now you gotta make.
Oh gosh.
Is that good?
What are you in for?
4.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm shooting 3.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. If he 2 putts, then you make this one.
Yeah. You guys are acting like I'm out.
Clean your ball. You're acting like you're out. Clean your ball.
I hit it way too hard. Yeah, I was wondering why you didn't clean your ball. I was like, what are you doing, dude?
Well, he was chipping. So.
He's acting, no, him. He's acting like he's out.
Oh, me?
You
Yeah.
were like, oh, I'm done. I'm done.
It's for the whole stay alive.
Paul's got it.
Even if I miss, I'm still alive, right?
Well, you can tie.
If you miss,
You can't. Ward can't lose, and
If
but
I
you
miss,
could
right.
tie him.
Gotcha.
Oh, he goes dormy after this.
Dormy.
Never heard that term.
Come on. Easy little 10-footer. Dead straight.
You can still win if you make this one.
Yeah. Come on. You gonna let this jerk off beat?
Ah!
Jack wins that time.
On the amateur side.
You shouldn't have called him a jerk off. That's what it was.
Hey, if you had known him in 5th grade, you would call him worse.
I believe it, but he's been better now. He's been better.
We're
Oh.
talking. That one doesn't count.
Yeah, it does.
That's in the water. That's in the water.
I'll hit a tree.
Maybe that's over, but I doubt it.
Oh, time to shine.
Where'd he go?
Yeah?
All right, but
You piped it?
Piped it.
Woo, let's go, baby.
It's in the first
I
cut.
heard
Way to go.
I thought I heard a house.
Mmm.
It's in the first cut, but
Hell yeah.
he's safe. Putting the pressure on Aggie.
Better hit your hybrid, Aggie.
Who brought the 460?
Who brought the fucking comedian out here?
Wow.
How do I change this to 8.0?
Woo.
pretty easy actually.
Yeah. Aggie would need a 2-degree driver.
Oh, you guys better. Oh, that works, baby. Go, 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 go.
I never got higher than 5 feet off the ground.
No, it's that Tiger Woods worker.
Stinger.
Yeah, that's right. That's the stinger right there.
You did that on purpose?
I'll call it. Yeah, of course he did. Sure. It's all this wind out here. You don't
Sure.
hear it.
Sure.
Oh, no, look at that flag. That thing is flapping around back there.
Did you hear it? So much wind.
Oh.
They're in the same cut.
Ward's just 100 yards farther. Oh, actually, Aggie's in the fairway. Provisional. Just got a par. Just got a par. Oh my god.
Oh, that's
Oh my god. He's gonna be in the cart before he even lands.
Still going out. We're all standing here.
Yeah. He's already driving off and it's still in the air.
Hey, why are you watching the guys? I know where it's at.
yeah.
Alright, we're all in play.
So the camera's off until we get to the green. If I don't win this hole, I'm out. And Laser trying to break 90, by the way, so I think we got it. I'm pretty safe. But next time I turn this camera on.
What's up, Filthy?
No pressure, but you make this, you win.
Do you know what they call me?
You beat me finally
He
for the
two
first
putts.
time.
He two
He
putts.
hasn't beat
He
me in
wins.
anything since 5th
He
grade.
two putts. He wins.
They just call me Winner, because that's what I do.
Wiener, yeah.
Wiener,
Hey,
wiener.
Wiener, wiener, chicken dinner.
Ward, you two putt. You win.
Yes.
Yeah, but he's not gonna do that. I mean, look how red his face is.
Two
Look
putt.
at
I
that.
get hot out
Two
here.
putt. Two putt. You win. Don't even think about that. You're just trying to fucking get it right next to the hole.
Let's go, Ward. Come on. For once in your life, be special.
You know who I am?
Yeah, wide left.
You know how many extra points he's got in the team? Come on.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. For the match. For the match. Let's go, Ward. If you're gonna beat me, hole out and beat me. Oh my gosh.
I think that's what they call a gimme.
Yeah, go ahead. Give it to him, Lathrop. So then, that's it.
You got to hole out.
You gotta hold it.
Use those for par or for
Bogey.
bogey. So if he hits this for par, then you got to hit this, right?
Yeah.
For par. So be special. Let's go, Paul.
He hit one earlier.
At least just help me on this. Is it going this way or this way?
You asking these guys?
Looks like it's going.
Right?
Well, if it were me, and I'm not messing with
I
you.
wouldn't be too confident
Sure,
in
me.
this advice he's getting.
Okay, so it is going that way.
I think.
I would say it's going to your left.
That's hard. That's hard to say.
Me too. I would
From here, we didn't take the walk down to where you're at.
Right. That's
Oh
true.
yeah, you're right. I think it is going that way. Yeah, he's right. Come on, Paul. This is what you were born for. Moments like this. You're gonna let this hack beat you.
And 2 strokes and finish. Oh, get it! Oh, that was so close.
Hey,
I gave you the right line.
you were right. That was
I gave
good.
you the right line.
All right, Ward.
That was almost. I stood up a little too quick. I almost passed out.
Shit talking's even more fun than the game. I love it.
Dog it. I hate losing to him more than anybody except for maybe Ronnie.
You like my videos?
Yeah,
Should I just throw this at his back right now? Just hit him?
I think so.
Gosh.
Be a good sport.
Dude, imagine if that would have went in. It would have went to 18.
Hell yeah, that would have been sick.